Does trazodone affect REM sleep? If you're struggling with sleep and considering trazodone as a potential solution, you might be wondering how it impacts your sleep patterns, especially when it comes to REM sleep. Let's break it down to understand what trazodone does. Trazodone is a medication that was originally developed to treat depression, but has also been found to be effective in helping people sleep. It works by influencing various neurotransmitters in the brain, such as serotonin, norepinephrine, and dopamine. These neurotransmitters play a significant role in regulating mood, wakefulness, and sleep. When it comes to REM sleep, the impact of trazodone can vary. REM sleep is the stage of sleep where you have vivid dreams and your brain is active, similar to when you're awake. It's crucial for cognitive function, memory consolidation, and overall well-being. Some studies suggest that trazodone can actually suppress REM sleep. For example, a study involving patients with major depressive disorder found that trazodone significantly reduced REM sleep and increased the latency to enter REM sleep, meaning it took longer for the participants to reach this stage of sleep. However, other sources indicate that trazodone generally improves sleep quality by increasing both REM and non-REM sleep. It helps reduce the time it takes to fall asleep and increases total sleep time, which can include both REM and non-REM stages. So what does this mean for you? While trazodone can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, its specific effect on REM sleep might not always be consistent. In some cases, it could reduce the amount of REM sleep, but overall, it tends to improve the quality of your sleep by enhancing other stages of sleep as well. It's important to remember that trazodone should only be used under the guidance of a healthcare professional. They can help determine the right dosage and monitor any potential side effects to ensure you get the best results. In summary, trazodone can affect REM sleep, but the extent of this impact can vary. It's generally more effective at improving overall sleep quality, even if it might alter the balance of your sleep stages slightly. Always consult with a healthcare professional to understand how trazodone might work for you specifically.